Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we're checking out the top 5 best smart measuring tape tools that combine laser precision, digital displays, and classic tape functionality for ultimate accuracy. Whether you're a DIYer or pro, these smart picks boost efficiency. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Revasri T2 Smart Measuring Tape. The Revasri T2 Smart Measuring Tape is a versatile tool designed to simplify and enhance precision in all your measuring tasks. Combining the convenience of a traditional tape measure with the innovation of a high-precision laser distance meter, this two-in-one device is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its laser technology ensures accurate measurements, providing reliable results for projects ranging from simple home improvements to complex construction work. Equipped with an intelligent ruler and a clear LCD display, the Revasri T2 allows users to view measurements in real time, reducing errors and streamlining the workflow. Its self-locking mechanism guarantees that measurements stay secure, eliminating the frustration of accidental tape movement and ensuring consistency in every readout. Beyond standard linear measurements, the Revasri T2 offers multiple functional modes to accommodate a wide variety of needs. Users can calculate area, volume, and even perform Pythagorean measurements, making it an indispensable tool for architects, engineers, and hobbyists who require precision in 3 dimensions. The compact and ergonomic design further enhances usability, making it easy to handle and transport without sacrificing accuracy or functionality. For anyone looking to merge traditional measuring methods with modern technology, the Revasri T2 Smart Measuring Tape provides a seamless experience. Its blend of high-precision laser capability, intelligent display, and multifunctional modes makes it a comprehensive solution for precise and efficient measurement in any setting. This smart measuring tool not only saves time, but also increases confidence in your results, ensuring every project is executed with accuracy and ease. Next up, at number 4, we have the Raphlo Smart Measuring Tape. The Raphlo Smart Measuring Tape is a versatile and innovative tool that merges the practicality of a traditional tape measure with the precision of laser technology. Designed to handle both short and long-distance measurements, it features a 5-meter manual tape for close-range tasks and a 30-meter laser ranging function for extended distances. Its infrared survey technology ensures remarkable accuracy, achieving measurements precise to 0.005 millimeters, 0.01 meters, making it suitable for everything from home decoration projects to professional construction work. Engineered for convenience, the device includes essential components such as a lock buckle, power button, laser emission port, digital display screen, and laser receiving port. These features streamline the measurement process, allowing users to operate the tape efficiently with minimal effort. The Raphlo Smart Measuring Tape also supports USB charging, offering long battery life, and its waterproof design ensures reliable performance even in humid or challenging environments. Whether measuring room dimensions, furniture, or construction elements, this smart measuring tape provides a blend of precision, durability, and ease of use. Its combination of traditional and laser measurement capabilities positions it as an indispensable tool for anyone seeking accuracy and efficiency in their measurement tasks. Taking the 3rd spot is the Snakol Smart Measuring Tape. The Snakol Smart Measuring Tape is a versatile and innovative tool that redefines how measurements are taken, blending the traditional tape measure with advanced digital technology. Designed for efficiency, this two-in-one device allows users to measure quickly and accurately, combining the familiarity of a retractable tape with the precision of a laser rangefinder. Its intuitive digital display instantly shows the length in meters as the tape is extended, making readings clear and effortless at a glance. Accuracy is a standout feature of the Snakol Smart Measuring Tape. Utilizing high-precision laser emission, it provides millimeter-level accuracy while enhancing both the effective firing and acceptance rate, ensuring that every measurement is reliable. Beyond immediate readings, it also offers intelligent data management through a powerful logging system capable of storing up to 100 groups of measurement data. This allows users to save, review, and access previous measurements seamlessly.
The device is designed with practicality in mind. Its compact, lightweight body fits comfortably in a pocket, making it portable and ideal for use anywhere, whether on-site or at home. Long-lasting performance is supported by a large-capacity lithium-ion battery, recharged conveniently via a Type-C port, ensuring the tape measure is always ready for use.
Every aspect of the Snakol Smart Measuring Tape reflects careful craftsmanship and attention to detail, creating a tool that is both functional and user-friendly. Whether you are a professional needing precise readings or someone who values convenience and accuracy in everyday measurements, this smart measuring tape offers a modern solution that simplifies the task while enhancing reliability and efficiency. Coming in at number 2 is the Idemata Smart Measuring Tape.
The Idemata Smart Measuring Tape is a cutting-edge tool designed to make measuring faster, more accurate, and more versatile. Combining advanced laser technology with smart electronics, this device takes precision to a new level. Its laser crossmark, paired with a dual-axis electronic angle sensor, ensures measurements are highly accurate, down to millimeter-level precision, while supporting a wide range of measurement distances up to 100 meters. The upgraded phase optical system and enhanced laser emission provide stability, low power consumption, and a long lifespan, making it reliable for both professional and home use. This smart tape offers multiple measurement modes to cover all your needs, including single and continuous measurements, area and volume calculations, Pythagorean measurements, and cross-line measurements. With Bluetooth drawing capability, you can easily transfer measurement data for smart interconnection without the hassle of hand drawing, saving time and increasing efficiency. In addition to its high-tech laser functions, the Idemata Smart Measuring Tape includes a 5-meter coated carbon steel tape that is tough, wear-resistant, and designed for safety. The tape locks automatically when extended and safely retracts with the press of a button, protecting hands from injury. The human-centered design extends to the LCD high-definition display, which provides instant readings in just 0.2 seconds, making data clear and easy to interpret at a glance. Powering the device is a high-capacity Type-C lithium battery, offering fast charging and long battery life. Intelligent data recording allows storage of up to 50 sets of measurements, ensuring critical information is preserved for future reference. With a blend of advanced technology, smart functionality, and user-friendly design, the Idemata Smart Measuring Tape is an indispensable tool for precise, efficient, and convenient measuring in any setting. This device brings the precision of laser measurement together with modern smart features, transforming the way you handle measurements from simple DIY tasks to complex construction projects. And finally, our top pick, the Laolau CJY007 Smart Measuring Tape. The Laolau CJY007 Smart Measuring Tape is a versatile 3-in-1 tool designed to elevate the way you measure and mark distances. Combining a 5-meter manganese steel tape measure with advanced laser distance measurement and a cross-laser marking line, it brings precision and convenience to any project, whether for home improvement, DIY, or professional use. Equipped with a high-definition digital backlit display, the Laolau CJY007 ensures that every measurement is easy to read, even in dimly lit conditions. The clear, well-lit numbers make it simple to capture accurate data without straining your eyes, making late-night projects or low-light workspaces less challenging. The device also prioritizes portability and durability. Its lightweight design, coupled with a practical lanyard, makes it easy to carry from one job site to another. Constructed with robust ABS material, it provides reliable anti-drop protection, helping to safeguard the device against accidental bumps or falls. Whether you're measuring for furniture placement, construction layouts, or detailed DIY projects, the Laolau CJY007 integrates multiple measuring methods into one compact device. The combination of traditional tape, precise laser distance measurement, and cross-line projection offers flexibility that adapts to various tasks, saving time and reducing errors. With its intelligent design, durable construction, and easy-to-read display, the Laolau CJY007 smart measuring tape represents a modern approach to accurate and efficient measurement, making it a dependable companion for anyone who values precision and practicality in their work. This is precision made simple. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top reviews and smart tool recommendations.